Hi guys, welcome to the C++ project series. So in this particular video, we'll be seeing JSON data processor. So this is a project where we'll be working on the JSON data processor. In the first part, we'll be seeing how the load data function works. So here we have 5 functions, that is load data, view students, search student, filter students, and delete students. So these are the specifics. So this is what our JSON file looks like. So we have certain students, we have 5 students, and we'll be working on this is basically loading the data into JSON. This next part would be viewing the students, all the students. The next part would be searching student by entering the ID and so on. So yeah, let's see the code. So in this first part, first things first, we'll be taking the file name as a constant string, that is students.json, which we'll be using here. Now we have the function load data where we open the file name. We have the file name, we open it in read-only mode. And then we create a vector called students. So in the students vector, we have to insert whatever is there in the the element, the JSON file, sorry. So yeah, so now if we check if the file is open, we opened it. So now the file is open. So then we have JSON data where we enter the whatever the data into the file. So we enter all the data into the file, and then we iterate each and every element of the data. So whatever data we have now, we iterate each and every element of the data, and then we push it to the students vector. So first we read the data, and then we push it into students vector, and then we close the file. So now, and then we return students. So now we have the JSON file filled with students. So we have a students vector which is filled with all the contents from the JSON file. Simple. We'll be seeing all these functions in the upcoming videos. And then here we have the main function. So in this main function, we have the certain element saying we give option to the user saying whatever he wants to do, view all students, search student by ID, and so on. We give certain options. Then the user has to select either 1, 2, 3 or whatever the user the option he wants. And then we have the if and if else if ladder. So if the choice is 1, then we call view students function. If the choice is 2, then we say search students, and so on. We have each and every option for all the things. So let me run the program now. So this particular part is just about loading the data. We have the data loaded, that's all. So yeah, it is showing me all the options, but it won't work now. I'll just enter 1. But yeah, because the reason behind this is we've not yet worked on the logic behind the view student function. We just have the function, so it will take the option. It won't show any error. It will take the option, but it won't display anything because the function is empty. So I'll submit the program. The test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.